Alright, so I'm having some issues. I power on my computer, and as you can see, sometimes it doesn't even want to power on. But see, third time's the charm. Turns on, and it already turned off. And then if I just sit here, after a few minutes, it'll just turn on. I don't really feel like sitting here, but sometimes I push. See? Just came back on. This is a fresh install. I have nothing on there except for just drivers. So I just updated the BIOS, and that's it. Just go to the event viewer. Here's some of the Windows could not detect the problem. Some kind of service, see, just shut down. And just turn back on all by itself. And just turn off again.